Okay, let's dive into this. I used to feel like artificial intelligence was just, well, this sci-fi concept, right? Something totally reserved for tech billionaires, software engineers, and robotics labs. But today we're looking at how to take AI completely out of science fiction and turn it into an everyday, highly effective financial tool right in our pockets. Welcome to This Explainer. We are anchoring our entire analysis today on a genuinely practical source, AI Investing for Dummies by Mladjenovic. And look, this isn't about learning how to code or, build complex algorithms. Not at all. It's just a straightforward, highly practical guide to wealth building and comprehensive financial planning for the modern era. We're going to use AI to do the heavy lifting so you can focus on the actual decision making. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll set up AI as a financial tool, master the AI prompt, explore stock investing and alternative assets, navigate the macroeconomy, and then wrap the whole thing up with some smart tactics and cautions. Section 1. AI as your financial tool. It's really time to demystify this technology and just view it as a long-term utility for your wallet. Just look at this quote directly from the author. I look at artificial intelligence the same way I look at a laptop computer or a smartphone, like a tool. That is a massive paradigm shift. You don't need to know how the microchips in your phone work to send a text or check your bank balance, right? Well, similarly, you don't need to know the inner technical workings of AI to use it effectively to achieve your financial goals. Let's move to and see how this builds. Section 2, Mastering the AI Prompt. If AI is the engine of our new financial toolkit, well, the prompt is the steering wheel. Your success is entirely about asking the right questions. Take a look at this specific prompt suggested by the author. Please summarize this in less than 250 words and list the 10 most important points in a numbered list. Just think about those dense 50-page financial documents or endless web articles you usually just kind of ignore. With a simple, targeted command exactly like this one, you can force AI to instantly distill all that heavy reading into a quick, actionable summary. And this brilliantly illustrates an actual output from ChatGPT after being asked to distill the pros and cons of small-cap stocks. Look at that satisfying aha moment right there. It instantly organizes advantages like high growth potential and less competition right alongside the disadvantages like limited liquidity and higher risk. It literally takes what could be hours of reading and condenses it into seconds. It's a real game changer. Section 3. AI for stock investing. So now that we have our prompting engine revved up, let's shift gears into the actual asset classes. The author makes a pretty critical distinction here between investing and speculating. Investing is putting your money into assets with long-term value. Think steady, large-cap stocks. Speculating, on the other hand, is more like educated gambling for faster gains, which is exactly where those small caps we just looked at come in. And AI can powerfully assist in analyzing both. You can ask it to perform a SWOT analysis on a massive tech company, or you can have it summarize complex financial data for a highly speculative IPO. But, we shouldn't just be picking single stocks. Look at these vehicles for diversifying. ETFs, mutual funds, and leveraging robo-advisors to actually complement your human advice. You can have the AI manage the heavy fundamental and technical data analysis, finding the exact right mix for your own personal risk tolerance. Section 4. Exploring alternative assets. The market isn't just about stocks, though. AI is incredibly adept at navigating alternative investments, too. Consider hard assets. Tangible items like precious metals, gold and silver, have historically been safe havens during economic turbulence. You can easily prompt AI to summarize current market conditions, historical trends, or even supply chain factors affecting these commodities, giving you a crystal clear picture of traditional stores of value. Then there's the whole digital frontier. Let's demystify some highly technical jargon here. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. As defined in the book, these are digital forms of a country's national fiat currency, issued and regulated by a central bank. Now, it's really important to note this isn't decentralized crypto like Bitcoin. It is literally government fiat money digitized. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how cleanly AI breaks down these key features for us: centralized control, legal tender status, integration with the traditional banking system. This really proves AI's incredible versatility. You can use it to quickly learn and map out brand new, highly complex concepts in the evolving digital currency landscape. Section 5. Navigating the macroeconomy. To be a truly smart investor, you need to understand the fundamental economic realities shaping the market. And here is a perfect prompt for doing just that. What are the 5 most important points that investors should know about the Federal Reserve? Instead of getting stressed out by politically charged news broadcasts, an investor can use AI to impartially understand massive economic forces without getting bogged down in all the noise. Just look at how clear this is. The AI cleanly breaks down the Fed's dual mandate of employment and stable prices, its monetary policy tools like open market operations, and how it handles interest rate decisions. It takes massive, complex, institutional data and turns it into highly digestible intelligence that you can actually use to inform your portfolio. And from that massive microeconomy, well, we can zoom right back down to your personal microeconomy. You can literally ask AI to outline the complete financial planning process for a person's life. It mirrors this chronological roadmap perfectly, starting with setting goals, moving to budgeting, anticipating college expenses, navigating retirement planning, and finally, estate planning. AI can help organize your entire life's financial roadmap step by step, taking so much of the anxiety out of long-term planning. Section 6, Smart Tactics and Cautions. So, the crucial point is, as powerful as this new tool is, we absolutely must discuss its limitations. Notice these essential AI cautions. Always use multiple sources. Watch out for obvious AI hallucinations or inaccuracies. You really have to verify complex or controversial topics yourself, perhaps by feeding source documents directly into PDF reading AI tools. But most importantly, combine AI analysis with human judgment. AI is an incredibly powerful assistant, yes, absolutely, but it is not a replacement for your own verification and sound investment fundamentals. You are still the pilot. By treating AI as a highly capable research assistant, you can unlock a level of financial clarity that used to require an entire team of analysts. The real question is, now that you have the ultimate financial toolkit right in your pocket, what will you build with it? If you enjoyed this, subscribe to In 8 Minutes and never mess what matters.